Okay, I'm going to do a country cover of a Redneck Yacht Club. It's a current song on the radio. I thought it's kind of cute. Let me set it up here. I'm meeting my buddies out on the lake, headed out to that special place we love, that just a few folks know. There's no signing up, no monthly dues. They take you Johnson, Mercury, or your Avenue, and fired up, meet us out at Hardy Cove. Come on in, the water's fine. Just idle on over and toss us a line. Fast tractors, bail on a party barge, strung together like a floating trailer park, anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side, 5 houseboats, front porch, astroturf, lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joe's just rocking the boat, that's us. Redneck Yacht Club. Bermuda flip-flops and a tank top tin. He popped his first top at 10 a.m. and that's Bob. He's a president. We're checking out the girls on the upper deck, rubbing in at 15 SPF. It's hot, yeah. Everybody's jumping in. Later on, when the sun goes down, we'll pull out that jar and the old guitar and we'll pass them around. Bass trackers, bay liners, party barge, strung together like a floating trailer park, anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Well, side by side there's 5 houseboats, astroturf, lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joe's just rocking the boat, that's us. Redneck Yacht Club. Party's over and we're all alone, we'll be making waves in a no-wake zone. Fast tractor, bail on a party barge, strung together like a floating trailer park, anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side there's 5 houseboats, astroturf, lawn chairs